How you doing?
Come and ride along with Hawkeye and Jeannie on their journey, visiting cities, communities, towns, hot springs, Timbuktu, a few nude beaches, and other places of interest to determine what is really going on during the aftermath of the COVID-19 pandemic. Hawkeye and Jeannie are a couple of old coots who are still out there having fun. Then they will report back to you with these videos. This is what Hawkeye's Tales and Trails is all about.
You know?
Yeah.
I am Calafia, the hostess for Hawkeye's Tales and Trails. A little about myself. I am a retired pagan warrior queen who ruled over a kingdom of black women living on the island of California, an island off the coast of Asia, where I was convinced to raise an army of women warriors, then sail away from the island of California with a large flock of trained griffins accompanied by my husband, Talank. The Californias, a region of North America encompassing the U.S. state of California, and the Mexican states of Baja California, and Baja California Sur, take their name from Calafia, and my kingdom. Read more about my story in the novel entitled Los Sergas de Esplandian, or The Adventures of Esplandian, written by Garcia Rodriguez de Montalvo. Episode 71 is about Hawkeye, Jeannie, and their visit to the Wacky Warehouse in Pacific Beach, Washington. Also, the Green Lantern Restaurant in Copalis Beach, Washington, which rates a 12 out of a possible 10 on Jeannie's restaurant ratings. After being open more than 10 years on Main Street, Mr. Wacky has completely rearranged his store. He moved most of the merchandise to the back end of the store and opened part of the storage area for retail space. The front half of the store is mostly cleared out, as you can see in the video, and a stage area has been set up for live music shows. He has different shows during the spring and summer. Also, open mic format jam sessions. But you can find him on any given day singing and playing his piano in the front window on Main Street.
Okay. Combination yoga studio and nail salon.
The Green Lantern Pub and Restaurant in Copalis Beach is known for its great food and drinks with an awesome view and beautiful beer garden. A must-stop when you are cruising the Washington coast. Food quality scores a 12 out of a possible 10 with Jeannie. The bitch is fussy. I hope that you are having a fantastic day. Physically distance and face masks are still the norm. People are exploring new ways of surviving and making a living.
To get the envelope?
Kind of. Go check it out. Hey, thank you. Is that the hot garden? Oh, okay.
Is that the employee?
Maybe.
Oh, yeah, look at it. He's big enough for that. And he's doing yes. You make me wonder if they are coming here.
Yeah, there's the stage. It looks like they have an exit this way.
They just did.
Yeah, we start cooking, huh?
Yeah. Oh, look at that rail siding. Beautiful. And the eagles. Oh. Yeah, they're so pretty. Here we are. I love it. Great piece of property. And look at it. So looking out here.
No problem. Yeah. Not my trash can.
Is that Patty? How do you agree with this?
Actually, I think he's the owner.
They what?
I think he's the owner
Oh,
of the Green Lantern.
okay. See, otherwise, is that illegal?
Yeah.
Please enjoy watching this drive scene through Copalis while the credits and messages are being presented on the screen. Thanks for watching. The scenes are somewhat interesting.
Wow.
Hawkeye's goal is to show places and events that you may not normally get to see here and how the COVID-19 pandemic may have affected them. All information is deemed to be reliable, however, there is no guarantee that it is. It is not the plan, however. I was told to mention that as of this time, Stray Cat LLC, Stray Cat Productions, Hawkeye, Jeannie, or myself, Calafina, have not been paid from any entity or any other business that has been seen on any of the episodes. So that means that they are not making any money. Hopefully this will change. Please subscribe. Why not share the video with others? Please click the like or the thumbs up icon. Please help us out. We need 1,000 subscribers. Still have a long way to go. Click on the round icon to subscribe and be notified when future episodes are available. Hawkeye's videos are non-professional, unscripted documentaries of Hawkeye and Jeannie's explorations. Well, they are home movies, but without the kids. It is our recommendation that if you are new to Hawkeye's Tales and Trails, start with episode 1. I am Califia, your host. Hasta la fiesta, baby. Okay. That is a take. I still get paid, right? Fabulous.